Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your chat theme with the new 2026 theme on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages. Okay, and the theme will be unique for every account guys. For example, I'm going to customize my chat theme with this friend. I mean, every room chat is different and unique, and for this chat I'm using this sunflower theme. Oops, it's not sunflower but it's flower. And for this chat, it's just a simple background, and I'm going to customize this one. We can click on the account's name or the group chat's name and just go to the theme, and these are the new themes that you can use. Hello 2026, and there is Avatar, Fire and Ash theme, and Wicked for Good, K-pop Demon Hunter, and Taylor Swift. You just need to click on the theme that you want to apply, or you can create a theme with AI right here, and you can describe the theme that you want. I'm going to select this one, for example. Just use the suggested prompt because I don't want to think about the prompt. Okay, and wow, cool. And click on next and create like this, or you can use this Hello 2026 theme. It's cool. And Avatar theme, Wicked for Good theme. And okay, this is how the 2026 theme looks like. And yeah, I just want to apply this one. I don't want to change. If you want to change, just go back to the theme. And if you want to apply this theme to another chat, just open the chat like this, for example. Okay, and yeah, that's how you can customize your chat theme on Instagram with the new 2026 theme. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.